How to convert PDF to Word without losing format. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to convert your PDF document into Word without having to lose its format. Let's begin. So what you want to do here is basically find your PDF. I've got a PDF file on my download. What I'm going to do is right click on it, and then you want to go to Open With, click on Choose Another App, and you should find your Word over here. Click on it and tap on just once or always, depending on your choice. Now click on OK. What it does is it's going to change a PDF into an editable Word document automatically. Now click on Enable Editing, click on OK, and you should be good to go. So now you've successfully converted your PDF document into an editable Word document. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.